Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to reset network settings in Windows 11. If your internet is not working, Wi-Fi is not connecting, or network issues are not getting fixed, this method can help. To reset network setting, first click on a start button, then click settings. Under settings, click on this one, network and internet, in the left side pane. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one, advanced network settings option. Again, scroll down to the bottom to find this one, network reset option. Click on this one option. Now you will see network reset. Click on this one, reset now button. When prompted, click on yes. Before that, you should note that this will reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Once you confirm, click on this one yes button to proceed resetting network. Now wait for message from Windows that reset has been completed. After that, you need to restart your PC once to apply the changes. Once you see this one screen, Windows will shut down in so and so minutes. Close it and then restart your Windows to complete the network reset process. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.